Sorry, I'm late. Lunch here yet? She's right back where we started, huh? What's that?
I can't.
You can't what?
Go away.
Look, why? Hey, Danny, Mitch reached out to us.
Hang on.
Thanks for coming. Maybe you could talk some sense into him. Uncle Andrew, we got company. Oh, you remember me?
Let's watch the face.
Huh? Tony wasn't responsible for what happened down on the subway. He had something called a psychotic break. You just have to stand trial. They'll find you not guilty by reason of insanity. They'll send you right back here to get well.